Hey guys, welcome to our channel Lakshmi's Information Technologies. Today's topic is WCF Test Client. How to create WCF Test Client application in using ASP.NET. Let's get started. Open Visual Studio. I'm using 2012. Open it. Simply click on File menu and create new website. Create new project. New project. Here select WCF and here WCF service application. Click on this and simply write the name of your service 1. I'm giving same name and here is my folder and simply click on OK. Now our file is ready. Here only we need to change two files. One is service1.service cs and one is service1.sv. This is a predefined one. This is our iservice1.cs. Here is the interface. You can rename it interface. Here it will automatically refactor the name in a w web config and service file. And this is our interface containing operation contract. It's nothing but defines the method exposes to the client to exchange the information between the client and the server. It will, and here is our method. It will be implemented on our service1.csvc file, and I will show you. This is our service1.svc. Here is that method. Here we are implementing the interface by using this extend keyword, and this is our public string get data. This is, and here in value, this is the data type. Giving for parameter is value, and what you are returning is return string dot format of your entered value, means it will be displaying the your entered value. And coming to next, composite is nothing but a class. It contains objects and their values. Okay. Here is our composite type and bool value equal to true. If string value is hello, then data members. Okay, here is bool condition, bool value. If it is true, get return the bool value, means it will be returning the value. Setters and getters, we are set the value to a parameter and set the value to a parameter. Okay, here is our public string values. Here also write setters and getters. Okay, this is our composite type. Okay, this class we are calling from here composite type, and this is the object, and this is our method name that will be implemented from service1.cs. This is our implementer, means here a composite is null, and throw the exception it will getting the error, and if boolean is true then it will be displaying the value of composite dot string plus uh, suffix. Okay, return composite, return is nothing but uh, either a null value it will pass the error, or else this is the output it will be returning. This is our file. In WCF services we have WCF services with client sending URLs. You have to add web config, some add app settings and behavior of the page and page validating. We have to write for WCF client sending URLs, but this is the demo. No need to write, no need to change web config files. Now simply we have to run this application. It automatically um, run on WCF Test Client. Simply run this application. This is our WCF Test Client. Here is few services, that is basic HTTP binding iService. Click on this. Here it will asking one parameter. If you give one parameter value, means value is nothing but I'm giving for 100. Now simply click on invoke, and security warning, you about sending information over network issue, binding of malicious services and allowed to private information. Do invoke, do not trust, secure binding. Click on OK. See this. This is our output, that is written entered 100. This one. And second services is get data using data contract. Is nothing but class with parameters. Contract class is nothing but a class with the passing objects. Means here boolean value. You can give true, and string value is you can enter hello. Click on this, click on OK. It will show you if it is true hello suffix. If you can give hi hello, click on invoke, it will not return the value, means hi hello suffix. This is our output. If you want to know my latest updates, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please ping me on comment section. Thank you for watching.